Let me introduce you to the August 2021 to July 2022 Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. It features fun botanical designs, a soft seasonal color palette, and motivational verses to keep you inspired. This planner is designed with mothers in mind, but certainly works for anyone who must coordinate and organize multiple family members' schedules. But it's so much more. With its 28 pre-designed templates, you'll have one place to keep and track family schedules, meals, appointments, and budgets, habits, parties, shopping lists, home and school projects, events and travel, and keep meeting notes and journals. This 172-page planner is easy to navigate. You'll be an expert on it in no time. So let's get started. Hi, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. For this video, I'm showing you the planner on my Samsung Galaxy Tablet S7 Plus. I'm using the S Pen that comes with it. And I'm using it on the Xodo app, which is free, by the way. So we're going to start with the front cover of this beautiful planner. It has icons that are across the top and down the sides that are on every single page of your planner. These are all linked to these most important locations. This cover icon, when tapped, will always get you back to this front cover. We have our Today Daily Template section for keeping your family schedules. We have the Year at a Glance icon, which is a most important location for accessing every single date of this year from August 21 to July 22. We have access to all the templates, blank pages, and bonus pages with these backgrounds where you can add pages and design your own templates and store them in these blank linked buttons. Lastly, here's the big question mark icon that we call the help icon, and when you first click on it, you're going to come to the index page. Everything's linked on this index page, and it shows you the original pages and the order that they are in your planner, where you have the cover, welcome, year, daily schedules sections, and then you have all the month sections, the category sections, the template section, bonus and blank templates, and then lastly, we're here on the index, and after the index page, we have frequently asked questions, and then some quick guides to adding pages. That was good notes. Of course, you're going to be interested in the Xodo instruction. On the right-hand side of every single page of your planner, you're going to have these month tabs. When I click on any month tab, I'm going to come to what we call the landing page for that month. That's where you find a little graphic and an inspirational quote. I can just swipe through pages, and I've got some navigational hints to help you as you're getting to know the planner and the order that the pages come in. Every month after its landing page, we have what we call the dashboard, which is a place to prioritize and brain dump and just generally plan for the entire month. Then you're going to come to the month grid, and following the month grid are the weeks at a glance, starting on Mondays, ending on Sundays. Next, I want you to notice these 8 gray category tabs. We have meals, budget, wellness, make, home, celebrate, go places, and notes. And behind each of these tabs, you can store copies of as many pages as you need, of any of the templates that you need, and each landing page comes with quick access to those templates that are for that section. Of course, you can always copy and stick them anywhere you need to in your planner. This is why we also have provided 4 custom sections that are denoted by these different colors of orange, gold, blue, and green. Now you can also keep your own new categories, maybe for work and career, or just your pets or certain hobbies, or for each of your family members. We also have a target icon down here that will give you a section for future, even if you're planning way ahead. For August 22 to July 23, you get a quick look at that year at a glance. I want to take you back to the year at a glance page and walk you quickly through what you can access through this page. Each of these circle icons is going to take you to that month's dashboard. The month name would take you to that month's grid. We also have, next to each month, week numbers. And if I tap on any week number, I go to that week at a glance. I can also tap any date, and I go to that week at a glance. That includes the date I tapped on. If I click on a month grid, I want to show you that you can also access weeks at a glance from the month grid just by tapping any date on the month grid. I can go back to that month's grid from any week at a glance or that month's dashboard as well. On the month's grids, we have little reference calendars for the previous month, and those are linked as well, so I can quickly jump through February, March, April, or back again if I'm planning that way. We have a bonus page that's already stored behind our Celebrate landing page. That's for birthdays and anniversaries. So you can just make one full list of all the birthdays and anniversaries, and it has quick links back to each month's grid as well. From this page is where you're going to be able to access and see every template at once. We have a habit tracker, we have wellness and mindful tracking, workout tracking, and we also for each section have these blank pages where you can design your own templates to copy and to use again and again and to customize your planner. I want to show you how I would copy a template and put it anywhere in my planner. So if I'm going to plan a trip and I need the travel template, I'll click on that link. I can go to the waffle icon. It shows me thumbnails of all the pages, and the one I was on is highlighted in blue. If I lightly press, it'll turn blue. Then I can tap over here and I can duplicate that page. Now the original page is still highlighted. I can tap on it and it deselects, and I can tap the one that I just duplicated and I want to leave the original. Now I can simply drag this upwards, and through the thumbnails I want to go find my landing page for Go Places, and I'm going to move the page right there. Now if I go back to my planner and I go to the Go Places section, I can see that I have added this page, which wasn't here before. When your planner is new, you're just going to have the landing pages. So now I can work with the tools in Xodo to fill out. I can zoom in, and it's very easy to use. We have instructions of how to add pages in Xodo. And I want to quickly note, since Xodo has been updated, a lot of times the drop-down menus have been blacked out. And if that is the case on your device, you can switch to dark mode. So we have shown both here light mode and dark mode images. Depending on your device, it may look different to you. On every single page, of course, we have the help icon. Now if I tap on the screen, it's going to make those action bars go away, and it fills up my screen quite nicely. So when you first get your planner, you'll walk through some of these frequently asked questions and how to add pages. That pretty much covers it real quickly. I thank you for watching. Head on over to blessingbydesign.com. Follow the link in the description below. When you purchase our planner, you'll get a link for an immediate download. If you have any trouble with your link or download, contact us immediately and we'll help you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you're always notified of new videos. Be blessed and have a great day.